Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Cerelac for baby. First, ensure your hands are clean and all utensils are sterilized. Begin by measuring 1 level tablespoon of Cerelac powder into a clean bowl. Next, slowly add 2 to 3 tablespoons of pre-boiled cooled water. Stir continuously until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. This initial step is crucial for a safe and enjoyable meal for your little one. Achieving the right consistency is key for your baby's comfort and digestion. After adding the water, stir the mixture thoroughly until it's completely smooth with no lumps. The goal is a semi-liquid texture, similar to a thin porridge, which is easy for babies to swallow. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more water. If too thin, a small amount of powder. Remember, younger babies often prefer a slightly thinner consistency. Safety is paramount when feeding your baby. Before offering the Cerelac, always check its temperature. It should be lukewarm, never hot, to avoid burning your baby's mouth. A good way to test is by placing a small amount on the inside of your wrist. Any uneaten portion must be discarded within 1 hour of preparation to prevent bacterial growth. Freshly prepared food ensures your baby receives the best nutrition safely. When introducing Cerelac, start with a small amount and observe your baby for any reactions. It's best to introduce new foods one at a time, waiting about 3 days before introducing another. For storage, keep unopened Cerelac in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Once the pack is opened, ensure it's sealed tightly and used within 3 weeks to maintain its freshness and nutritional value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.